right, in the last class, we talked about the plotting the points, and then I see a lot of you guys already turned the homework, which is really great. And when you look at the order pair, you got X and Y. X goes first, and then Y goes next. Okay? And the next one, also we learned quadrant 1, 2, 3, 4 in this order. And also we look at the different names for the X-axis. X-axis is the input, horizontal, independent. Y-axis is output, vertical, and dependent. And we learned that too. And also we learned how to graph them. We did some activity on there. And then you guys did a really good job on putting your answers on the chat box and then actively participated too. Now let's look into the next one. If I have a question like this, how do I do this? Okay, so let me go over this. Okay, so get ready with your chat box so you can answer these questions for me. So what I'm going to do right now, you see this, calculate the area of a triangle with the vertices given to you. So the first one is a, -5, -3. So if I start plotting this point A, I started from the origin. Which side should I go? Use your chat box. Tell me to the left or right, or how many units. And also put the right units too. Good job. I see that. Really good. And I'm expecting to you guys write a left 5 units and then down 3 units, like that. Okay? Complete sentences. That way you can get a really good understanding. So good job. I'm going to go to the left 5 units and then down 3 units. That's the point A. Okay. Good work. I'm going to change the color. Now, get ready. Next one. For the point B, which side should I go? Go ahead and type it. Good job. I see that. 3 to the right and 3 to the down. And I want to repeat it myself. And this is your participation points for the classwork. Those where people are typing there, it comes with a name. After this class, I'll copy everything there in my document, and then I can see who's typing there, so I can add some points for the classwork. So please actively be part of it. Or you want to say, I'll ask you a question to talk, but right now, just use your chat box to participation. Next. So the next one is last point. I'm going to choose a different color, 3 and 8. Go ahead and type it. What do I do from the origin? Good job. I see that. 3 right, 1, 2, 3 right, and then 8 up. 1, 2, 3, 8 up. So there's the point C. Now, good job. I see that. Thank you, guys. Now, let's look into this one. Now, I'm going to join these points. And then it makes, oops. I'm going to draw a line here and then draw a line here. I'm going to write the order pairs that way you can see easily. -5, -3, then part B is 3, -3, and then the last one is 3 and 8. Now I'm going to find how many blocks I have here at the bottom, so the distance I can get it. So it's from the -3 to +3. So I can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 blocks. Wait, 7 or 8? Let's check it one more time. So this is -5. These are 5 blocks and then 3 more blocks. So it's 8. 8 here. And then from here to here is 3 of them plus 8. So that's 11 total. Okay? So the 11 blocks here. So now we got the base and the height. So once you get that, now I'm finding the area. Area of a triangle is base times the height divided by 2. Now your base is 8 blocks, and then height is 11 blocks divided by 2. So 8 times 11 is 88 divided by 2. So that gives me 44. Okay, 44 square units. Okay, so that's how you find the area of a given figure. Good work. So that is how you find the area of a triangle. Triangle area is base area, base times height divided by 2. And then let's look into some other next one. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to try some strategy called try, connect, discuss, try, discuss, and connect. Okay, so this is the strategy we're going to use it. Last year, when you were in the classroom, and you guys are used the different strategy, talk to the partner and talk to the partner in the right or group work. So there are different strategies we did use. This year, we're going to use try, discuss, and connect. So first thing is try. And whenever the question is given to you, you're going to try first. And then you're going to try to connect them, like, draw some different models, like you can draw some diagrams, draw some number lines, whatever you want to draw, something. And then you're going to connect that one to whatever this is given to you. And then you can apply that too. Okay. So let's see, this time I'm going to ask one of you guys, please unmute yourself and then read this question for me. I want you to guys try to draw some double number lines or whatever you want to try. Try some strategies and then try this one. See if the ratio, and then you can find if I have 40 of the tables and how many garbage cans do I need. So it's basically, I'm going to give you some information here. The part should be, let's say here is picnic tables to garbage cans. What does that means is every 8 picnic tables, you need 3 garbage cans. Okay, so you have 8 tables, you need 3 garbage cans. So like that, if I have 40 tables, how many garbage cans do I need? Go ahead and try that one on your paper.
All the way until I got 40, and I multiply 3 all the way until I get how many trash cans in all those in the small campground. And the total I got 40 tables. Is that 15 trash cans in the small campground.
Good job. Give me a high five. Good work. This here I'm going to put it tables, picnic tables, and then I'm going to put this garbage cans here, and we're going to see 8 picnic tables need 3 of them. So if I continue this pattern, 8 more, I need 3 more, and then 8 more, I need 3 more. So if I see that's 8 plus 8 is 16, plus 8 is 24, and 32, and then I can have 40. So I can see that's 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8. That gives you 40 of them. And then I can see 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. So 5 groups of 3, which is 15. So I need 15 trash cans in there. Okay. When you did the modeling part, as just we kind of like explained there, so this is the number line, you can use it. You see this 8, 16, because you're adding every 8 tables here, and then you're adding 3 more garbage cans right here, 3 plus 3 plus 3. So like that, if I have 40 of them, and then you can see how many you needed. Also, you can do the ratio. Let's say if I have 8 over 3, and then I need 40, and then how many trash cans do I need? So what times 8 gives you 40? Put it in the chat box. What times 8 gives you 40? There you go, times 5. So I'm going to multiply the same thing with here. So times 5. Good job, thank you. And then 3 times 5 is 15. So that's, I need 15 garbage cans for that. Similarly, you can use that. These are all called equivalent ratios. You see that's equivalent ratios? That's what it is called. You can see a different way of doing this. So here, I can see there's 3, 16, 24, 32, 40, just like rounded it, and you can see that 8 times 2, that is 16, or 8 times 3, that is 24. So it's 40. 8 times what should I multiply to get 40? So you said we did that, 5. So 3 times 5, it's also, you can get the answer there. Okay, so that is 15. Same way, similarly, you can use 8 times what gives me 120. Try that. And then same way you can do that. 3 times what, same number, gives you the how many trash cans do you need that. This one times by 15, so I can get you the other one too. So 3 times 15 is 45. So I need, for the big or larger part, I need a 45 trash cans. Now we're going to connect this one, whatever we did try right now. So the first one is try, and we're now connecting this one because we did try in a different models. And then now we're going to connect that one with the given questions. So I want you guys, let's go and look at these questions. And then we're going to go one by one and then make sense of these questions. Okay. Now here, this is the double number line strategy. In this strategy, so how do you know the ratios from the double number line are equivalent ratios? How do you know it? You come up with something, and then we can discuss about that. Now, if you look at the second model, in this model, we did multiply them. So you can see that. Just put this one there. Okay. So look at this model. What number can you multiply 8 to get 120? So we did that already. So 8 times 15 gives you 120 there, and also the other numbers too. There. So, and how can you use this number to solve the other part of the problem? Okay, so same thing. We use the same number to multiply this one. 3 times 15 gives you the next number. See, we are connecting whatever we did. Now we are connecting to these questions. Okay. So the next question is, how many garbage cans should be placed in each campground? Explain how you can use addition or multiplication to find the answer. I'm going to put the models one more time so you can see and then tell the answer of that. Here is the first model, and here is the second model. So the question is, how many garbage cans should be placed in each campground?